Welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscription button as you join us in house hunting journey. In today's video, I'll be showcasing two one-bedroom apartments, one going for 12,000 Kenyan shillings and the other one going for 15,000 Kenyan shillings. So they are both located on the same area, and to know the exact location, make sure to watch the video till the end, as I'll be stating the exact location at the end of the video.
Thought that you should know, I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can.
So this is the first house I'll be showcasing, and we start off with the living room.
Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real.
So this living room has one window, and on two sides of the wall you have a socket, a double socket.
Do what I want.
So this first house we started with is the one that is going for 12,000 Kenyan shillings.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I want. Hear me now.
So after the living room, you have your kitchen on your right and your bedroom on your left.
Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for.
So here you've been provided with a mirror and a sink below, and on this side is your kitchen.
Whenever you see me, don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs. Every time, let's be real.
So next is your bedroom space.
Be real, be real. I do what I want.
And my favorite part of this house is the bedroom. You have a wardrobe on that end, and on this side an additional, let's just say an additional space.
I do what I want. I want. Hear me.
An additional storage space.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run.
So after your bedroom, we'll have a look at it.
Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run. And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next. To me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah.
So over here you have a sink on top, then at the very top
No, I'm trying,
you have a bulb. So you've noticed the balcony. I'm just going to come back to it later so that you can.
Once you see the truth, you'll be
So this is your living room. That's your window. So this kitchen is spacious than it appears. The video might be making it look smaller, but it's very spacious.
It don't matter where we
The living room is also spacious than it appears.
go. It don't matter where we stay tonight. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say. It don't matter how we make things right. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know.
So after this, now we'll be looking at the one bedroom apartment that is going for 15,000 Kenyan shillings.
Everything will be alright when I'm with you.
I also love how this kitchen looks like, especially the long counter. You can see it starting from that end,
Alright
coming to this other end.
when I'm with you. When I'm with you, everything will be alright when I'm with you.
So you have some cabinets on top.
It don't matter where we go. It don't matter if we lose it all. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah,
I wish they would just have painted it white for uniformity, but maybe it could be changed.
everything will be alright. It don't matter if we fall down into the darkest place we know. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
It's a combined washroom with your toilet on this other end. Then the shower head has been placed at the middle. Yeah, on top there. And finally, let's have a look at the balcony before we go to the next house. So we are done showcasing this first house. Now we go to the second one bedroom that is going for 15,000 Kenyan shillings. And starting off, let's start with the living room. Next, we look at the kitchen. And this is your balcony. So you have two windows inside your living room, And when you turn like this, you have a kitchen straight just across from the living room, but it doesn't have a door. So this is your bathroom. And finally, your bedroom. So we started off with your living room, we went to the kitchen, and we went and looked at how your balcony looks like. So mostly I always say you are in my videos because I always assume when you take this house. So mostly I always say you are on my videos because I always assume when you view this video, you're viewing it as your house. So we looked at the washroom. And we have completed our video today. So I showcased the 12,000 one, I've showcased the 15,000 one. I don't know which one is your favorite, so you can tell me on the comment section. The first house is located in Santon, Kasarani. The second house is located in Garage, Kasarani. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you in my next video.